Are you looking for property near One Utama and in the price range of 300,000? Then watch this. Alright, so this is a project right here and it has two views. Either you want to choose the outside view, which is this side here, or the one inside, which is facing the buildings inside. So now where is it located? It's located about 6 minutes from One Utama. So surrounding it are places like Kota Damansara, Strand Mall, Mutiara Damansara, Sangli Giza, the Curve Tropicana, IKEA Damansara, Bandar Utama, One Utama Shopping Centre, Subang Jaya, TTDI, Sangli Pyramid, Damansara Utama, Bandar Sangli, the Starling, and all the way on the other side is the new building KPJ Damansara 2 Specialist Hospital Bukit Lanjan, and about 15 minutes drive to Desa Park City.
Wow!
Alright, so this is the new township of Damansara Perdana, the upcoming landmark in PJ. So this side here is where the project is. You can see the brown section here, and this will be Central Park Damansara. It is by the same developer, by EXSIM. Well, that's another session we can talk about. So we'll be focusing more on this side today. So this is the project. It's 39 floors in total, and it has two facing, like I mentioned earlier. So facilities are all on the rooftop level. For a full list of the facilities, please drop me a DM and I'll send over the brochure. Just to let you know, the one further off the brown building is actually the one we're talking about today. The one nearer to you is a new launch project, just launched a couple of months ago. It has similar concept to the one that we're talking about today. And to let you know how near it is to the upcoming European concept mall, it's just a road across. Now allow me to present to you some of the illustrations and actual real building of the European concept mall. Alright, so let's explore the studio with you. Just to give you an idea of how big it is, your window starts from this side all the way to this side. Right, so you can install your bed, your wardrobe, you can imagine how it looks like. Alright, for this project you'll be getting 70% furnishing. So what you'll be getting, you can see here, this is the built-in pantry cabinets. And then you will get a branded bar fridge, storage space, and then a portable microwave oven, which will be branded as well. And each unit will get a digital lock set. Besides that, you'll be getting this rack hanger as well. Alright, so for the bathroom, you get the instant water heater and everything else in the bathroom. But the bonus point is that this bathroom is huge. So you can actually install a bathtub. If you love a bathtub, then you can actually install this here. Woo! Everything in here you'll be getting. The mirror, however, is not to this design. This is ID design, so you'll be getting something similar. So this is a 2-room unit, and this would be the furnishings provided. Same thing as previously. And now let's have a look at the second room. And now onto the other room. Remember I told you about the new project just launched? So this is it. It looks pretty cool. It has a very European kind of feel. So it has similar concept. And it has a slightly different layout. The price is within the same range, and you get to enjoy both projects' facilities. And just to update you guys, this is the European concept mall that I was talking about earlier. So it's still under construction and ready by next year, 2023. I know I personally can't wait for this project to be completed. Can't wait to see how it turns out. Okay, so now my question to you is, are you excited to potentially own a property so near to One Utama and at the price of 300,000? If you are, then you can contact me here, you can scan the QR code, and we'll be in touch soon. Alright, ciao, see you soon.